Hey, is this a function? Are you sure? Do you want to answer this question now, or do you want to come back after we graph it? It's up to you.
Now.
I know it's a function because I memorized it. It's a function, yes. There are two reasons it's a function. It passes the VLT, which is vertical line test, and X's are all different. We've been saying this for months and months and months. What if I said it is a function because it's an exponential? That's not a good reason. It's a function because it has a y-intercept. It's a function because fishes swim in the ocean. All those are true, but it doesn't tell you anything about why it's a function. Okay, write it in function notation. What do I write? F of x equals 2 times 3 to the x. So easy if you know this. What type of function? Exponential. And specifically, it would be growth. Okay, what is A?
2.
And B? 3. The x-intercept? Doesn't have one. Remember, it gets really close, but it never touches. So this is going to be none. What's the y-intercept? 2. Do you know what the domain and range are right now, or do we need to think about it?
I think about a domain a little bit.
Okay, he says the domain is all real numbers because all the domains are all real numbers except for inverse variation. And the range...
Oh, y does not equal 0.
Nope. Let's come back to it in just a minute. Now, since I'm doing exponential, I'm going to do all 4 quadrants, but I know it's going to be kind of up high, so I'm going to make the graph look like that. Where does your graph start? Where? 2. So I'm going to go 1, 2, and put a dot. Okay, so it's 2 times 3 to the x. Okay, what do I do with the 2? Triple it. So I go over 1, I triple the 2, and it gives me 2. Which one is it? I think I better make y'all a graph. 0 gives me 2. I'm putting a table on here, but you don't have to do that. 1 would give me 6. So 2 times 3 is 6. I tripled the 2 and got a 6. So over 1 and up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, what's a 2 going to give me? 6 times 3 is 18. So I'd have to go over and up. This is 6. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. At the top? It's because it's exponential. Now, when you connect the graph, you are going to use arrows, but I'm going to show you this right here. That's not enough. You see what I did? So when you do this, I'm going to connect it and extend it with the arrow. When I extend it, I get closer and closer and closer to the x-axis, but I never touch it. Okay, so back to my domain and range. My domain is all reals. My range, I just said, it gets really close to 0, but it's never allowed to touch. So y is going to be greater than 0. Can it equal? No. So my range is y greater than 0.